Ever wonder why some landing pages convert like crazy and others flop? There's a science to it. Let me show you how to turn clicks into leads. Hi, we're Big Click Spoon, and in just 2 minutes, I'll walk you through the key psychology and design principles behind landing pages that actually convert real results. Your headline, subhead, and CTA must be laser-focused. Think of this as your digital elevator pitch. Visitors decide in 3 seconds if they'll scroll or bounce. Clean layout, fast load time, clear value, no distractions. CRO pros know that landing page UX is where most conversions die or thrive. Use frictionless forms. Only ask for what you need. Add social proof, trust badges, and microcopy that reduces anxiety, like 100% privacy guaranteed. Your content should focus on solving a pain point, not pushing a product. Use relatable language and educate with intent. Now that you know the science behind it, go audit your landing pages today, and if you want more high-impact CRO tips, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and let's grow your conversions together.